Meet the farm friends! Welcome to our adventurous farm, where every animal has a special story and sound. Are you ready to explore and learn with us? Meet the cow, our milk-giving friend, who greets everyone with a gentle moo. Cows provide us with milk to make delicious cheese and butter. Have you ever tried imagining a day without ice cream? Let's thank the cows for the yummy treats they help create. Chickens are feathered wonders that lay eggs while going cluck, cluck. They work hard to give us eggs for breakfast. Chickens love to peck around the yard. Next time you enjoy an omelet, remember the cheerful chicken's contribution. Pigs are playful with a love for mud and say, oink, oink. Did you know mud helps pigs stay cool and comfy? They're smart and curious, enjoying their time rolling in mud to beat the heat. Horses gallop swiftly across fields with a happy neigh. They're fast runners and loyal companions. Horses can pull carts, help with farm work, and take people on exciting rides. Sheep have fluffy wool and communicate with baa. Wool from sheep keeps us warm in sweaters and blankets. Their fluffy coats are a farm's cozy treasure. Goats munch on almost anything and cheerfully say, ma! They're expert climbers and love exploring. Whether it's grass or vegetables, goats are adventurous eaters. Explore your local farm or read about these amazing animals to discover more. Each animal on the farm has a sound and a role. Your journey has just begun. Share what you've learned and invite friends on a farm adventure of their own.